Good morning, everyone. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 17th of July. Helsinki meeting creates mass hysteria. On Monday, the Helsinki meeting between the US and Russian presidents shocked the world on its outcome. Trump refused to hassle Putin on the so-called presidential election interference back in 2016. Instead, both presidents seemed cool and collective as they performed a joint news conference. However, the fact created major disappointment and irritation in the United States, as a confrontation on the matter would be more appropriate, according to US lawmakers from both parties. The Director of National Intelligence said that they have proof of Russian meddling in 2016 election and that Russia is still trying to undermine the US democracy. The US dollar lost some steam on Monday, however, looks to regain strength in the following days. EUR/USD had a positive momentum yesterday and constantly tested the 117.15 resistance level. For today, it is our opinion that the pair could continue to move in a sideways movement between the 117.15 resistance level and the 116.40 support level. Also note that the pair may follow up on some bearish tendencies as the financial data to be released from the US could support the greenback. In addition, the pair may prove to be sensitive to any further headlines regarding trade tensions, as this subject could probably be discussed on Fed Chairman Powell testimony later on today. Should the pair find extensive buying orders along its path, we could see it rising and breaking the 117.15 resistance line. Should it come under selling interest, we could see the pair aiming for the 116.40 support barrier. US challenges WTO for retaliation tariffs. On Monday, the US initiated 5 separate World Trade Organization dispute actions, challenging retaliation tariffs imposed by China, the European Union, Canada, Mexico, and Turkey, subsequent of the US duties on steel and aluminum. US Trade Representative Robert Lighthizer stated that the retaliation tariffs are illegal under WTO rules. He also added that these tariffs breach the WTO members' obligations under the WTO agreement. It was made clear that the US will take precautions in order to protect the US producers, and an urge was made for trading partners to follow up and work constructively together on the problem. Further developments on the issue could create volatility on safe havens like gold, JPY, or CHF. On another front, New Zealand USD was seen as a market mover today in the European morning and displayed a strong positive momentum. Analysts cited a delayed reaction to New Zealand's inflation data released earlier in the Asian session. New Zealand USD advanced to reach the 0.6833 and tested the level constantly, but corrected a little bit lower, unsuccessful at breaking it. Should the positive momentum continue, we could see the pair rising and breaking the 0.6833 resistance level. Should it come under selling interest, we could see the pair aiming for the 0.6812 support level, moving even lower towards the 0.6793 support hurdle. It must be noted that similar market movement was observed on the Loonie and Aussie. In today's other economic highlights in the European session, we get the UK's employment data along with the average earning index plus bonus for May. In the American session, we get the industrial production for June. And late in the American session, we get API weekly crude oil stocks. Regarding speakers in the European morning, BOE's Governor Mark Carney speaks. And in the US session, Fed Chair Powell speaks. For more information, please read the full comment on ironfx.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, wishing you solid trading.